PyCharm is an IDE for professional developers. It is created by JetBrains, a company known for creating great software development tools. Many of the features help make PyCharm a great Python IDE for beginners. PyCharm provides smart code completion, code inspections, on-the-fly error highlighting, and quick fixes, along with automated code refactorings and rich navigation capabilities. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux and can be expanded using dozens of plugins and integrations. Open your web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and type PyCharm. Open their official website and click on Download. There are two editions of PyCharm. Professional edition is not free, however, you can download it and use it as a free trial. We will choose a community edition that is free. Once the download is complete, run the executable file to install PyCharm. On the prompt window, click on Run. Click Next. Click Next. Checkmark PyCharm Community Edition. Update path variable. And create .py associations. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Open Start menu, type PyCharm, and open it.